I would highly recommend some of my colleagues to take the analytics course here. It really opens your mind to the power of the data that we have, the quality of the data we have, and what we can actually do with it.
Demystify the worries that people have about analytics, so that it doesn't replace that gut feel or that intuition or knowledge that people have gained throughout a career.
It's really trying to get an understanding of how we can better assess our data.
Exposure, I guess, to the world of analytics.
Be prepared to walk in on day one and have all of your preconceived notions about information and how you manage it thrown out the window and start it again.
But the more I thought about it, that if I do want to make a difference, if I do want to lead a little differently than what's been done before, you need to step outside and get some new experiences.
The experience of this program has been fantastic.
I feel what I get in return from Queen's is worth so much more than the time I'm giving.
It's the diversity of the people that are in the room. There's public sector people, there's private sector people, a lot of sharing.
Opening your mind to thinking about things differently than you did in the past.
It's 2 days of information that we're getting here, but it's really so much more than that.
And when you come back to the specific interaction with the instructor, he's got a lot of private sector experience, a lot of consulting experience, and brings that into the discussions that we're having. So it's not just theory for the sake of theory.
He's using applicable examples and analogies from real-world experience from multiple industries.
What I feel from the professors is what they really appreciate is that the room is not full of students, it's full of professionals. We can actually sometimes learn as much from our peers as we're learning from the professor.
The more experience, the more knowledge, the more interaction you have with people, probably the more quality decisions and learning you're going to have.
What I think I'm going to take from this is the importance of change management. I think will bring a lot of value back to my company ultimately.
I wanted to try and help myself by gaining some additional skills and experience. I think this was going to dramatically change the way I work